Ho, ho! You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, and there's a blue jay. Blue jays are one of my favorite birds. And I think I see a hummingbird. They're so small and their wing speed's so fast. Oh, hi friends, it's Gus. And I've been just looking outside the window and looking at the birds. There are so many different kinds. My friend Maddie and I are in the Wonder Scouts and we're earning badges. And this week, I'm working to get my animal badge. This is one of my favorites because I love animals. Do you guys like animals too? Let's talk about some of our favorites. One of my favorite animals is a monkey. Do you know what sound a monkey makes? That's right. Did you know there are over 264 kinds of monkeys? Wow, that's amazing. Now, let's all roar like a lion's roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! That was great. Hey, you want to know a wonderful lion fact? You can hear a lion's roar from over 5 miles away. Wow, that's really, really far. Okay, one more animal. What sound does a sheep make? Meh, good job. You may not think sheep are that cool, but listen to this. They can see behind them without having to turn their heads. Wow. Speaking of wonderful animals, I have this amazing, adorable pet turtle that I'm taking care of this week to earn my badge. I can't wait for you guys to meet him. Oh no, Speedy's gone. What am I going to do?
Hello, Gus. Ho, ho! You sure look worried. Yes, you do.
Hey Ollie, I lost my pet turtle Speedy. I was supposed to take care of him, but I can't find him anywhere. I'll never earn my animal badge now.
Animals are wonderful creations. That's true. And Speedy couldn't have gone too far away from you. Just listen to the story from the Bible and follow me through. Ho, ho!
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hello there. I'm Justin the Mailman, and I'm here to deliver the story mail for you today. Oh, what's this? It's a letter addressed to me from my friend Carrie the dog walker. Dear Justin, can you please take the kids on a hunt for wonderful things that God has made? Things that will make them say, wow! Going on a hunt for wonderful things is a wonderful plan, and I happen to have some of God's awesome creations right here in the story mail. Do you want to see? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Are you ready for some wow? That's more like it. Then here it comes. Now, I don't know about you, but I think some of God's most wonderful creations are animals. Ooh. Which one is your favorite? Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, everyone, back into the mailbox. I love all kinds of animals, like the ones you find at the zoo, like the ones swimming in the ocean, hiding in the forest, and even the ones waddling at the South Pole. I think all the animals God created are wonderful. I see an animal and I say, Wow! Did you know that a cow takes a nap standing up? Or that a hummingbird flaps its wings 80 times in 1 second? And cats use their whiskers to check whether a space is too small for them to fit? Amazing, right? Wondrous, isn't it? God made each animal special. He made peacocks with the most beautiful, colorful feathers. He made puppies so cute and snuggly. He made lions, the king of the jungle. And he made fish we haven't even found yet. God made them all. He knows them all. And he takes care of them all. It's so wonderful. I don't know about you, but that makes me want to say, okay, say it with me. Wow! Oh, hey there, Ollie. Now tell me, who made everything wonderful?
God made everything wonderful. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made everything wonderful?
God made everything wonderful. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. I'll see you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God created each and every animal, and they're all wonderful too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
God created all the animals, every single one. God is so wonderful. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Now we'll just have to find this one very small and very sleepy animal. Here he is. He must have been looking for a quiet place to take a nap. See? He's just fine. I'm gonna feed him now. See you guys next time.